stop saying smart for their age. This word makes you sound brilliant. Precocious. Pronounce it as precocious. The pre sounds like pre in pretty, co sounds like co in go, and shus sounds like shus in delicious. It means having developed certain abilities, characteristics, or behaviors at an earlier age than usual, especially in children. The 5-year-old prodigy, who composed complex piano pieces, was a truly precocious child. Instead of saying gifted, say precocious to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word precocious in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.